Quinto Cenni was born March 20, 1845, died August 13, 1917. He was an Italian painter, engraver, lithographer and illustrator who specialized in depicting military personnel in their uniforms. At that time, photography was still a cumbersome process. So Cenni had an opportunity to develop his skills as an engraver and lithographer by providing images for the numerous illustrated magazines that were coming into existence after the Risorgimento. By then, he had already chosen to specialize in military subjects, spending many hours on research to assure that the details of the uniforms and equipment were perfectly accurate. Sometimes, he consulted with foreign experts on weaponry specifications. He strove to make daily life in the barracks as interesting as the more dramatic maneuvers carried out during summer in the picturesque Italian countryside. Even after the beginning of World War I, he attempted to stay fully informed, but this became increasingly difficult as the situation deteriorated, and he died in Carate Brianza before the war was over.